Hey Pioneers, this is the Glute Hamstring Back Machine, also known as the GHB. When you're doing this exercise, it's going to take a lot of trial and error to find settings that appropriately match your levers, because it has a lot to do with how long your femurs are, or your thighs, and also your relative torso length. Because we want these pads to cover from here up, and we also need your leg length to be taken into account when we're using this knob. So I know my settings. I'm about 5'4", and I put this the third down. I also prefer that this be low because it gives me the most control. So pick this up, and you can adjust it to match your height and your thigh length. To get into this machine, it's really scary, but just one leg at a time. We're gonna put our foot so that it rests on this footrest, and our ankles are between these pads. My knees can rest on the pads, but generally, I want to be about here. Start position, and end position, right there. You may also experiment with rounding your shoulders if that helps you keep your spine in alignment. It's also important that you never lock out your knees at the end of the movement. They'll get close to straight, but do not lock them out so that they're completely straight. Depending on where you spend most of your time in this move, you'll get more back, glute, or hamstring. So back, anywhere mid-back or lower. Glute, obviously your glutes, and hamstrings, the back of your legs. Imagine those muscles stretching as you lay out, and then contracting or getting shorter as you come up. That's the Glute Hamstring Back Machine.